Hindi ko po inasahan personally yun because I have always believed that this is the impeachment court, no? And the mandate of the Constitution should always prevail over any other statute. Yung confidentiality, dun yun napapaloob sa provision ng National Internal Revenue Code, no? But what we are trying to address here is our obligation under the Constitution about accountability mechanism. At meron sinasabi sa batas, if there's a conflict between the Constitution and any statute, the Constitution must always prevail, no? Nevertheless, we respect the impeachment court. And as far as that decision is concerned, and we remain hopeful na makikita natin lahat ng BIR documents, and like what I said earlier, meron tayong bagong request for issuance of subpoena which pertains to an expanded list of documents of the BIR. Hindi na lamang ITR, kung hindi maraming dokumento which will be coming from the BIR. We are hoping na ito ay maaksyonan ng BIR once the subpoena is issued by the impeachment court.